Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a brush/stamp business card that you can use in your projects. These stamps make it easier for clients to find you. I already have such a brush and I use it frequently. For my business card, I included a QR code of my website along with my photo and name. You can add a logo or any important information about yourself or your project. So, how do you create this stamp? First, we need to insert a photo. I go to the photo gallery and choose any picture. After that, I use uniform transformation to increase the size of it. I use the ellipse selection tool, circle the face, and then press invert and cut. The face is ready. Next, I increase the size of the image. Since the background will be black and white, I go to Adjustments, lower the saturation and slightly darken the image. Then I open Curves and adjust the contrast to make the photo sharper. You can adjust the brightness to your liking. The photo is ready. Now we need to insert the QR code. To do this, I use a website that generates QR codes. I used this site to create mine. You can choose what information to encode. I used the link to my website, but you can choose the link to your Instagram or Facebook. Copy the URL of your website and paste it into the generator. Click Next, and the code is generated. You can download it now. Choose the format. I select JPEG. Click Download, then Open With, and save the code wherever you prefer. I saved mine to Files. Now I open Procreate and insert the QR code by selecting Insert a File. I place it next to my photo. Then I add text with my name. The text is ready. Next, I create a new layer and draw an ice frame. I enable Draw and Assist and choose Monoline Brush and draw the frame. I trim and delete any excess. Then I go to the Layers panel and group all the elements. Now I need to center the business card. Using snapping, I line it with the yellow lines both horizontally and vertically. This is very important because when you use the stamp, the stylus tip will be right in the center, so the stamp itself needs to be perfectly centered. Next, I merge all the layers. Click Invert and copy. I select any stamp brush and duplicate it. Then I go to the brush settings, click on Shape and choose Import. The image is now loaded as the brush shape. Now you can click Done. So now we can create a new layer and apply the stamp. Your business card brush is ready. Subscribe for more Procreate insights and techniques. I hope you find this useful. Thank you, everyone!